Hey guys, today I am going to do a quick review plus demo of this super cute bath toy that I just got today. I am super excited to put this together and see how it works. I know my toddler is going to love it. As you can see, this came very well packed. So it comes with a lot of pieces. They give you this little manual of how to put it together, which seems to be pretty easy. It just has a bunch of parts that you have to, set it all up, as you can see. It comes with this one cute duck, this other one, this floaty one, and this super cute floaty. I know my toddler is gonna love this. So it comes with this tiny little duck that has these wheels at the bottom, a ball, and this little tube. As they say right here, you can do different rails, which is cool. You're free to do the design and shape that you want. I'm probably gonna follow one of these. I have no idea how to put this together, but that's kind of cool. It already comes with batteries, which is nice. All right, and here it is, the final result. This took me longer than I expected to build it. It was a little complicated, maybe just because I'm not so good at building stuff, but it's worth it. This is the cutest bath toy I've seen. And trust me, I buy my toddler lots of toys, but this one is so cute. All right, let me show you with the toys. This is the little duck with the wheels on the bottom. Now I'm gonna show you the ball. Now this one has a little bit of weight at the bottom, but for some reason it gets stuck. Oh, not this time. I noticed a few times that I tried to put this on, it got stuck, but then you can just lose water and it will easily go down. The toy, you don't have to press any button. The toy will automatically activate once you pour the baby or toddler pour water inside. So you have this first one right here, as you can see, which, you can see the water going down, but it doesn't turn on any music. And then if you pour water in the second one, that's when it activates the music. And the more water your toddler pour inside of this, these ducks start to go up. So your toddler has to be quick and pour as much water as they can for these to go up. I'll show you. Yeah, let me show you. I got more water, and then the more water you pour, the more the little ducks start to go up. Super cute. And now they're going down again. And yeah, overall, I love this little bath toy. Like I said, it's super cute. There are so many things that your toddler can do. It's not just for one specific thing. It has little ducks that can go down and slide down, but your toddler can also play with water. They have these right here, the rainbow that lights up. It has so many things going on. And yeah, for the price that you're paying, to me, this is worth it. I love it and highly recommend it.